Hello everybody, Multiman37 back here with another review, this time of the deluxe zombie buckle and raised buckle holders from Kamen Rider Geats. This is the holders for the various raised buckles as well as the zombie buckle that is primarily used by Kamen Rider Buffa. Hence, it also comes with his ID core. So we'll take a look at the box, and then I'll do the holders first before I do the raised buckle and the ID core. So here we have the box. Got a picture of both Geats and Buffa using the zombie form. On the side you got zombie raised buckle holder, the logo of the Desire Grand Prix. This side just shows you the contents. Bottom is stuff I cannot read. On this side you have the functionality in the Desire driver, and then on the back is, of course, everything you're gonna do with this thing. Even, again, showing you what Geats looks like using zombie form. And it even shows that you can even use this with the Magnum shooter, and it also works with the other weapons as well. So we'll start things off with the raised buckle holders. These are just simple holsters for the different raised buckles as well as the weapons. They are closed off, so using them in the belt assembly, what you're required to do is take it off of the set assembly and essentially you put the holsters right through here, and then I have to remove the back plate for the buckle and do that. That back in. Did I put this? Oh, I put this on the wrong way. Alright. Second time I've done that. Thinking about here. And there it is on the belt assembly. And if I get my bucket right here, as I now put this in, and just like that, we have the raised buckle holders on the Desire driver. As for the holders themselves, you can take any raised buckle, here I have the boost buckle, and you can slide any buckle onto the side like that, and if you want, you can even adjust it. There is a button on top of both of these things, and you can, it's basically there to lock the verticals and the horizontals. It doesn't lock vertically like that, but horizontally it locks fine. So there's that. You can even take the zombie buckle and do the same thing. And again, as you saw, it does work with the weapons, and when I do show off the Magnum shooter, I will show off that it indeed can go in here. So, let's take a look at the included... Oh, I just knocked that over. There you go. The included buckle and ID core, starting with Buffa's ID core. So, very similar to Geats' ID core, except being translucent purple instead of translucent foggy white. And the emblem of Buffa is tamper-graphed with orange paint. Just some copyright information right there. So it is nice. And of course we have the zombie buckle. Done out in mostly gray plastic with purple plastic here and here. You got this kind of metallic magenta paint, and the light display has a few cracks in it. And you also get like metallic orange here. Now this is essentially a key, and when you turn it, you open the buckle, and the buckle has kind of these rib cage areas as well as a zombie hand with orange claws. And then you just put that back in, close that up, and it's back to normal. So let's show this off in the... What's the switch? In the Desire driver, we will remove Geats' ID core and replace it with Buffa's. So now we are in Buffa's entry form. Now let's equip the zombie buckle. So there you have the transformation for Kamen Rider Buffa zombie form. And honestly, I do like the sound effect that the zombie buckle makes. And of course, you do get the finisher just by turning the key again. And of course you can revolve on to switch the armor to the legs. So now the zombie armor is on the legs. Now, all of the form buckles do have a secondary sound effect if you use the boost buckle. Doesn't matter which one it is, they all have, well, there are a few exceptions, but most of them have a secondary sound effect that requires boost. So, let's put in boost. So there you get Kamen Rider Buffa zombie boost form, and it even said zombie and boost. And of course you do get the two different finishers. So zombie boost victory, and then if we pull the throttle more than once, we get the zombie boost grand victory. And of course you can reorient the armor. So now we get boost zombie form. So that's pretty much it. Overall, the holders, while they are simple, definitely will come in handy. And of course, the zombie buckle is pretty fun, I would say. Buffa was definitely one of my favorite characters from Geats. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you guys later. Take care.